What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Crypto Yang in the building. Doing a space mining update here. Looks like space mining is done, man. Honestly, I hate for anybody who signed up for this. I know nobody signed up under me because I didn't get any referrals on here, and I'm glad. But if you look down here, I actually tried to make a withdrawal today as well, earlier this morning at 5 in the morning. The first withdrawal still is pending. Second withdrawal still is pending. It doesn't look like anything's gonna happen, you guys. I hate that I put so much into this one. I thought this one was gonna pay out a little bit, but unfortunately, it didn't do anything that I wanted it to do. But I knew that that was gonna happen, or at least I was anticipating it, because these are high risk, high reward type things, man. The ICOs that I do videos on, those are a little more, guaranteed than these. These are pure gambles. You throw money at it, hope that it pays. If it doesn't, it doesn't. If it does, then that's a nice surprise. You see what I'm saying? So space mining, to me, I can't call it a scam because people have gotten paid, but for me, so far, it looks like a scam. I don't like the fact that I haven't gotten paid at least one payment. You see what I'm saying? So I'm gonna keep checking it. I'm gonna keep updating it. But as of right now, it doesn't look too good. Looks like it's over with. But there's going to be plenty more that I'll be putting you guys on, and in the future, you're not going to see me put more than $30 to $50 into the new ones. So I wouldn't suggest you putting any more than what I put in if you want to try them out with me. Okay. With the ICOs, though, you should definitely look at those and give them a chance, because they are going to make you money. I'm telling you, even if only 2 out of 3 or 3 out of 5 hit, they'll hit, and they'll hit for like 10 times your money. So keep that in mind when you guys are watching those videos. Okay, I'm gonna be doing an update on another website here in a minute as well, so stay tuned for that. And then I'll probably be looking into some other websites for us to see if we can get some money out of. Okay. Appreciate you guys for supporting the channel. We're 77 subscribers strong. I just started this channel back on like last Friday, so in a week we almost have 100 subscribers, which is amazing to me. I don't know what the current rate is, but I think that's amazing. So I appreciate every single one of you who subscribed. If you didn't subscribe to this video, to this channel yet, go ahead and subscribe. At 100 subscribers, I will be doing an Ethereum giveaway on my video with ETH giveaway in it. So stay on the lookout, hit that notification bell, so when you see that one, you comment with your Ethereum wallet address on it. Okay. Anyway, like the video, share the video, share any of my videos, and let people know to subscribe to this channel so that they can get free Ethereum. There's a possibility anybody can win, so it's random. So appreciate everybody, and stay tuned for more updates on space mining. I probably won't do another one until I get paid, and so you may not see another space mining update ever again. So but yeah, appreciate you guys once again. Like it, share it, subscribe, and hope for the best. I hope that we get some kind of payment out of this thing, man. But like I said, I'll be doing other websites. All right, y'all have a good night. Appreciate you. Crypto Yang signing out.